Liam, come get me. You want this? Come here.
Come get it. Go get it.
Climb over Daddy's clothes.
You have to get over the pile first.
Uh-oh.
I think I'm just going to chill here. We're just going to kick it.
Look at those cheeks. Come get me. Come here. Come on. Come on, big boy.
Need a little help over the hill. There you go.
Whoa.
There you go. You're on Dad's first clothes.
Oh!
Look at you go, Bubba.
Oh my goodness. Come on, little worm.
I'm just going to stop and eat my hand first.